Vita Reset is marketed as a wellness supplement designed to support energy, metabolism, digestion, and overall health. The idea of simply taking a daily supplement to reset your body can sound appealing, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, some vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients can play important roles in normal body function. But that doesn't mean a product called Vita Reset can actually reset your metabolism or health. What it does well: easy to take. A daily supplement can be convenient for people who have trouble getting certain nutrients from their diet. May provide nutritional support. Depending on the formula, its ingredients may contribute to normal energy production or other bodily functions. Where the hype falls apart, your body doesn't need a magic reset. Your metabolism and organs don't require a special supplement to reset themselves. Results depend on the ingredients. Even when individual ingredients have scientific evidence behind them, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers dramatic results. It's not a substitute for healthy habits. Sleep, nutrition, exercise, and managing stress have a much greater impact on overall health than a single supplement. So, should you buy Vita Reset? Short answer, maybe, but don't buy it expecting a transformation. If the ingredient list matches a genuine nutritional need, it may be worth considering. But if you're buying it because you expect it to reset your metabolism or dramatically improve your health, the evidence doesn't justify those expectations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.